1-2-1-2.
Wait, 1-2-1-2 ya meaning uri Toma.
Didn't know introduce something.
I see Tianga for the introduce. Now I'm fed up to last time.
Last time, yeah.
Hey,
oh, yo.
Ura number the ambulance address. This one to go kamera.
Yeah. Welcome to the Black Couch Diaries, guys. My name is Ndiwo Maginya. We are coming to you live from Panda Studios at 38 Mele Street, Bramfontein. Vakarichikorto da vangaru kwa maka 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. People vari emails are info azipinduliwe. Araba konto da direct vari ndivo@pandastudios.com.
Okay.
You know, yeah. Now, phone numbers are personal. Shy.
Guys.
Yeah.
I'm that bad. None do man when you.
We're here today again.
Welcome back, guys.
Yeah, welcome back, guys. You know,
Ropiramini is just 1 week.
Yeah,
but
just
my
1
Uber
week.
driver was like to me, "Oh, Ramut Uber and Giga Black House," and I'm just like, guys, it was just 1 week.
Yeah, like people always want us to.
It was my fault actually. It wasn't Maginya's fault. He was here on time.
I came here, set up, and then waited.
The traffic. The thing is. And that before check out ndava, but I didn't think uruna traffic yabana chovura kana.
Yeah. So it's called
you don't want to know. It took me 4 hours from PLK.
4.
And I reached radar like yellow line. That's how bad it was. So yeah, nobody those dama, but guys, Aski said it was my fault.
Yeah.
Weddings are beautiful. You need to get married. Please, next year, loading later.
Weddings are beautiful, man.
Weddings are beautiful, especially if you've got the budget for it.
Yeah, if you have the budget, that's the point.
Don't you think people are spending way so much on weddings lately?
Yeah, they're spending a lot. I think you know, weddings. If you have a wedding venue, you are renting it out and you are making money because catering.
Not just that. When Nandi Kawoti, it was a Lobola celebration, the traditional wedding. I don't even want to estimate how much was spent because what? How we for a starter?
It's a lot.
We had salmon, for a starter. We had peanuts. We had a cheese board. We had, and the unlimited buffet. Starter. So you can imagine there was an open bar. Makadzi was booked. It was crazy. It was given Royal Gardens.
Hey guys, hey.
At some point, I'm the Royal. Inoso played. Fistos played. LJ, the DJ played a whole lot. Like it was a whole party. It was crazy.
Yeah, you must give me the name. I should send Mkwanazi there. You might find something. Open bar like this.
No, but open bar lately.
Yeah. So bangwe bari open bar until a certain time. Then after that, ndolo direngera rangoto
and then like you can go and get champagne. Tikuri. Yeah,
I know.
Yes,
meaning that the chatter next year.
No, but you can do it actually. You just have to make sure you have the right number of people. Obviously, already I try over 300. You're gonna spend more. Okay, how many people do you think you would invite if you were to get married? How many people are in your life? How many people are in your life?
So here's the thing. So but not msanda in a figurative sense. Ngori mashaka hashundi manjisa. But not mashaka at scene. But if they're not invited to munyanya wangwana wanyi, they will have a problem.
But I think we need to kill that.
Yeah, but
that old stigma thing, it has to go.
So yeah, it has to go. But also, ndutori ringaita munyanya wa batu bote, then raita munyanya wa zilozophi.
But that's even more money.
Yeah,
do you understand? Ndichore day ne kodofana no combine. Basically.
But sometimes, these things, we don't choose where we are born. And but
I feel like it's very unfair for me to now invite people because they raised my mom.
Yeah, but it's family politics, some things you have to, sort of, balance between
matter. I hate the fact that family politics is on its own nanga. Like, there's a person that would get mad because I didn't wish them a happy birthday. But it's weird. Like, it has to stop somewhere. I'm not inviting people because it's not gonna work. What do you know? If
that's true.
Yeah, I think that's feed about 500 again. There's no way. Also, not 500 people are gonna go with the theme. Now you're gonna mess up the wedding that I have in my head. No thanks.
That's it's for theatrics. Like it's for perfect wedding.
Yeah,
you understand?
Perfect wedding. Why am I talking about a wedding?
But let's also talk about these perfect weddings as they could last, most of them. You
no, guys, it's not about that.
But honestly, because you go into that looking for that perfect proper wedding, open bar, all those things. But do you really love the person, or you just wanted to have the status you're in?
Okay, if we're being honest, I think the way girls were raised, because we've got this fairy tale thing in our head.
Yeah.
Robona was Sophia the first, the princess look, whatever, Barbie, the people that we idolized. So Richu Mbura Munyanya, that's the first thing that comes to our head.
Yeah.
We forget Munyanya duality. This is a whole marriage, right? So I think we've been made to idolize it. Like it's Nichumbra wedding, you're thinking, oh my God, I'm gonna look like a princess. And then now you have to go face this man and live with this man. So which is why people are getting married she still gets married. But tomorrow she's getting married.
Yeah.
Because wife, the diamond is what makes sense to her. So I don't know. But
yeah, you would take any nonsense just for the sake of money. Like I want to wear that. I want to walk down the aisle. And
speaking of that, I saw a video this week somewhere. Someone posted it. If you know it, I think, or somewhere. She was talking about how we need to make women understand that not everyone is going to get married. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So I think also because of that, do you understand what I'm saying? So already never enough. So we know we're not going to get married. So I think
yeah. We're going to
and then guys, like, okay, who wants
like just because the umbrella shira and then walk down the aisle and
do you understand? Like women are going in already is a BP. You guys are young for all that. Yeah. But anyways, guys, we're jealous. But it's fine. Yeah, we shouldn't run away from the fact that they're still getting married for love and still working out.
Yes, definitely.
I know a couple of good couples. At least Nganda. I don't know Ngangomu.
Yeah, Ngangomu. Obviously, couples in a relationship when there's the ups and downs. Right. Obviously, you wouldn't find a perfect person. Like I never perfect catching one and she. They are perfect on this and then not perfect on that. So as long as you make it work.
Yeah.
Both of you.
What do you think is a deal breaker for you, man? Come marriage.
A deal breaker, come marriage.
Not because they are running. Renarchina deal breaker. I've realized with women, they don't have any deal breaker. They're just chilling.
Oh, how about to say, if you do this,
you're out.
To men, I think it's cheating. If you get a cheating wife.
So many married women are cheating though.
But are their husband finding out?
No, I think with men, if you had no problem, no one was a problem. Your majita as I think that's the problem.
Oh yeah. It's and it ruins it.
Yeah, it's not.
To be honest,
now I'm throwing away the kids and whatever. Also, I'd have to but still the fact that
I think it's more about Chirunzi because and I don't know we end up with ex Yangori. Already Chan family and guys the bazuri in role Chan. I'm not getting back with you. Because already Nichi runs in Kane already like ndono bana na ntu ono bana ekhae ono bana Cloud yori a faring one of zwabudi, right, ka family, you understand? So
but that's your fault.
It's my fault, but ndikwambira ara rabi ra ilichana rasika to an extent where it has to zipunde zivele kagara. Now everyone knows. Then richiko vuyelelana na mini
zvipekuri ene reason oba pipe yo ne preferably if ndikadiva usatopera mwa or whatever but anything can happen but vavuyelana guys but vavuyelana.
So
you get what I'm saying? Because sometimes that break was needed.
Yeah.
You know? So I'm just saying, I think it's best in look like the bad person ka family. Anyways,
yeah.
You get what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah, good marriages are still there, guys. We're not saying don't get married. I've seen a couple of good couples, but yeah. As long as it's a good chippy, we're good. Anyways, let's move to the
Yo,
what?
Nizogorua ngankwe.
Mwana unaanza kwedizwa nambia you good.
Yo.
Mwana unaanza kwedizwa nambia you are fine.
All right. Yeah. So seafood boy.
Yo, guys, Venda is a mess.
Yo, we need an ocean in Venda. Guys.
For seafood. Okay, why are they coming for seafood? It was a beautiful concept, though.
Very beautiful. But
and then I didn't understand at first. Because the commentary, yo, seafood boil on and I'm like, but that's how it comes.
Yeah.
You know, but Goron Venda who expect to feel
Yo.
Why?
It's I think it's about Roko finds a seafood na ocean basket, the prawns and seeing all those things.
Yes.
You could save wine.
And then now,
way.
if we're being honest, in a seafood boiled Japan, I would the more prawns or whatever. They want to just real man. They don't put a lot.
Yeah.
They do prawns, eh?
So like to me, I was like, okay, is it seafood boil or is just mixed veggies?
Guys, no, it wasn't bad. Okay, they wanna prawn your story. I just see it somewhere in the mix.
The fact that you're saying that you saw it, meaning that you looked for it.
Somewhere. So like.
Guys,
it wasn't bad.
No.
Maybe we go to the eco-slow with the vegetables or something. It wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Considering the fact that when a prawns Venda, I'm sure you're going. Also, it's a bit delusional, Uri. Then I'm saying, order I feel somehow ordering like proper seafood like inland. It's, you know, it's like it's coastal. Yes, it makes sense. You know it's right there. Mara, even got to expect us too much.
Yeah, no, yeah. I only Venda is even far from the coastal area.
Inland don't order for us.
Yeah, no. You know, you just order mixed veg and
or just stick to Monaiti chicken, guys. Have like
chickens are there. Or you wanna cover your gochi one too. Nando.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, on your way to Royal Gardens. Yeah. Speaking of Royal Gardens, early bird tickets.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, 195.
Early bird tickets, yeah.
I saw.
So
I don't know. This year into the born, I'm still thinking about it. Because that's the end because we were working. So if you're not working, it's like...
Yeah, maybe we'll be working also this year. Who knows, you know. I fariwe.
Hey. I
fariwe.
train. Mngana farani nzongamba chitu. Hey.
Awambi we record ofa.
Mngana redomba koshut. I'll go you when I'm done in the next 40 minutes or so.
Hey.
Friendship we got every
Kezo. Nani nakumbuza zezo. Nduri Sunday mini.
Hayi. Mina assignment. Oyo aka things bazoditi sayaninga AI. Zoitani. Assignment zantu zadzigigi. I bet asichikoro man. Yo, bye-bye, Mr. Bye-bye. Ish, I friendship you got someone in
You got a man.
Away. Ish, why I was going to? Why I was going to? But guys, do you understand what time I wake up for work?
Like, yeah, you know, you can always wake up.
You don't know what time I wake up.
What time? Or
Quarter to 5.
Call in sick. Or
I can't call in sick.
Tell the boss I'm going to be late.
I can't call in sick, guys. Depending on show up, come meeting here, serious. I can't call in sick. I can't just not
then
go.
Then tell the boss, you know what? I'll arrive late today.
No, guys, you don't get it. There's more. It's be an FSAC. Then assignment. Did those send
AI and AI. Yo, guys. I thought AI was not going to threaten people's jobs until ChatGPT launches something called ChatGPT Agent. So it's in a beta version now. We're using it if you're using ChatGPT Plus. So
Plus.
Yeah.
What do you guys have in Giga Plus?
Yo, everything. Like, we don't have these limitations that we're using a limit, or you can analyze a document here this size. So there's a lot that you can do with the I cannot remind $400 and something else, $20, yeah. I know it's just one email, one. If you do a team one, you have to pay more.
Wi-Fi na ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Damn.
And Zotishuma.
But you get what I'm saying?
So yeah.
You're still saying we'll launch the agent one.
The agent one. So the agent one, it's like it's on another level. They created a virtual computer, a virtual desktop. So on that desktop, on multiple tasks. Okay, can you create a presentation for me? Document information from those documents. So it went on, created. It even went and did a research. Researching the live streaming app that I was developing. Developing. Or write a presentation you propose a partner.
This is what we're doing.
Yeah.
The one that you're going to use to present.
Yes. And then it did that presentation in a PowerPoint presentation. You send it a file, you download this. A 10 slides presentation with pictures downloaded, put nicely. Everything was proper.
You know what I'm thinking, T? Yes, it might threaten mishumo ya vatu, but then at the same time, mutu anadodzura aiudza. They might hire someone to sit down and tell it.
Yeah.
Do you get it?
Yes, and also to train it.
I want to see you get it. He just wants the presentation ready at the so they can hire someone. But I guess it's just going to make jobs easier for a lot of people.
A lot of people. Like, we should start integrating AI into our systems, like mishumoni, because as I'm developing this app, I'm realizing it's not about me knowing the language.
The language
You're
and
in
what you can
programming. No.
Yeah.
I must have an idea in the implementer. Then I don't have to know the language. ChatGPT knows what I want.
Yeah.
And then there was okay, this is the creative idea that I have. Then input the idea. Then ChatGPT gives you the output because you don't need to know this.
It does wonders for me. Hey?
Yo.
Guys.
AI, ne?
Every single thing you need. Like, I don't know if you guys don't get it. Like, do you want to decorate your room? Send it a picture. What can I put where? What could work? What colors could work here? Even the plants, I send it a picture. I'm like, it looks like this now. What should I do? Okay, now that it looks like this, don't worry. Put it where for how many hours? Do this.
Put some water.
Girl.
Sometimes the plant doesn't need water. It just needs sunlight.
It just needs, but you wouldn't know because you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Sometimes I go to or whatever, or yotorado, it does that. Yeah, we samatari, and then so I was stressing, thinking I'm doing something wrong. And it's not me. It's this season. So guys, please use it wisely.
Like, but
how can I make this boy love me more? My boy.
Yeah, like
any business profile.
Business profile, because to be honest, AI is coming so hard.
It's making our lives easier. It's giving mukwanazi.
Yeah. An AI police officer.
But then, like, speaking of mukwanazi, I don't know, man. I just don't understand how one speech Like one speech. How long was it?
Was it 30 minutes? I don't even think.
Or less.
Yeah.
It changed.
A can of worms was just open.
Why?
Came with coup and roast beans.
South Africa, because of one speech.
One
and I'm
speech.
like, a lot of people were quiet because of like Speaking of that, I don't know. Should we start with what he said or should we start with Kenny? You guys, there's a lot going on.
Like you see, do you remember last time we spoke about this and I'm like, when something new would have happened and you would forget.
Because we did say, and a bomb was dropped. Guys.
So, for those of you who are living under the rock, General Nkankam Kwanazi explosive statements accuser allegedly politicians, the parliamentarians, the judiciary, high officer police, police bako control a syndicate, a drug cartel, and the political task team eco disband because eco rumor is biting like scorpion now.
Yeah,
because it's going into
the way they are eating.
Yeah, so and ever since that statement, guys, something new is happening every week, every day. Like you will hear, somebody was found when they were arresting, this person.
Let me break it down, right? So, Mulife had a case before. So I can put it nicely.
Is it I don't know. They say KT Mulife.
Okay,
let's just use KT.
Yeah. Over Anna case before, right? He was arrested and then released on bail, right? So, Awaniwa Uri linked to the murder ya DJ Somebody. So now the police went to his house to arrest him.
Yeah.
Mapolisa boya mdini wa umufara. Vachishika vashika no man. Vakuzangu umufara una nyuna Kenny Kunene. Kenny Kunene is the what? Ya PA? The political party PA?
Deputy President, Patriotic Alliance.
Yeah, PA. The president you're in the
Gayton
McKenzie.
Yeah.
Great. So now Bashishka and give a kumuana, of which now you get the gist. So we cannot go Riko Yofara Mutu Ane linked to so many cases, especially Zenidizu Dumao. And then when we get the Mandazara Mutu Obo Fariu.
Yeah.
Rishishka and Geraskarawana, a huge political person. Like Kenny Kunene, very well known. Great. So Bashishka and Gini Vamuana. Whatever happened led to another. I guess Mufara, right? Bachi Mufara
Bofara Katie.
Bofara Katie Mulife. Bachi Mufara ava chitorichoro no man. Vasabo wani yuangi. But ure olo fungu buona nga valve for real. That guy Owaniwa ayakadzingwe news platform.
So that guy, we were told that there was a prominent politician who was found during the arrest. And then, all of the sudden, we were not told the name. But all of the sudden, the guy went to Newsroom Africa. Yeah, he went to SABC.
And you know what my problem is, T? No, I had actually bought a story. Because Newsroom Africa, because I have this media entity as in una. Venda irimini una chi imi swatch
Ramapungo. Yeah.
And then I always a journalist here or interview the person being Katie. So sharp. And then I explain and then I go for possible near diva footing and go for frame me one kanamini. Sharp, no problem. Everything was okay.
Yes,
everything happened. No problem. The problem is when Gayton released a statement. Gayton actually I don't know. I was in a call with my friend. No, he's not a friend. He's a brother now. Now you are gonna mess it up. sharp. And then I don't know and then now mapolisa Dutch kodofara ulani mara ene obodotua ako is a journalist ndamubudza. So Gayton says I'm telling him he was framed,
yeah,
but he doesn't believe it. There's no way I feel like you were framed. Well, if you're obvious on a phone, but I don't know this guy, not to send their address. So he's saying he doesn't know Katie Molife, right? Yeah. Great. Gayton is even saying the same thing. Uri, I know Kenny. He's like a brother to me. We've lived together for so long. There's no way he would be involved in corrupt stuff. And then he went on to say, already because Ndozi said Zanda said Zuri kare omtrust mkano anga ndadando itani, and then arukumu suspend, right, as the deputy president here, PA. Great, he did that. I'm suspended repair. That speech that thing was made ngamadegwana. Following day, Ubech Nebecha Katie, Kenny Kunene and Gayton Mackenzie.
This is South Africa, guys.
Not one picture.
Not one.
That's my problem.
There's a person with files, and internet doesn't forget. If you're doing something online, guys, just know internet won't forget.
Was that not very stupid of them? Or they've been out with this person, but they're acting like they don't know him? Yeah. Because what was good? What would have been smart? We didn't know he's into this. Mara, it was not going to work because ono accuse you. How are you in his house? Also, the important part. Then how one urusiwa uri asizwe chitanga chas SW.
Yeah, Sizwe Mpofu.
He's the one where is ondiena ethe and okutomozu yamba uri apparently that media
company is not registered. It's deregistered.
Your February. They're not going to interview a meaning.
Like, yeah, but also that, okay, the companies that they operate, they're not deregistered, right? They re-register. Yeah. But that brings even, more fuel to the story.
True.
Okay, you are lying about this now because you can't now try to push a media company in a register. Yeah? And is my friend.
So, Nandijivara, my friend.
Kazi. Hey, Nurmina. Hey, ndiko record a podcast, man.
Okay, ciao.
Hey,
hello.
Kodai.
Hi, Kodani. What you tell voice, yo? Mellow weird.
All right, you have good morning.
Really?
Remember, it's entertainment.
Yeah. Anyways, your value, the fact that you're Mara, nendo problem. He was okay with mentioning everyone. Ne or the prover, right? You see, then he was. I told them to search my car rather than at the mic. Journalist go search him. But he wasn't giving us that information.
They just said young boys. Yeah. It's like, we just have this young boy. So that thing, to be honest, it's not what it is. It's not what he's saying it is. They were there for news, whatever. But the thing is, we were not interested in Katie Molife now.
Yeah.
Before that arrest of DJ somebody, we knew that this person, from Kwana's story, we knew that this person was there. But now all of a sudden, you want to interview this person, and ENCA if
what's the interest?
Like SABC3 catch blunt. What?
Yeah, got blanche.
Yeah. Why didn't even need the interviews I saw? He was not like, it was going to be an exclusive story. How do you know that this will be an exclusive story?
But here's the thing, Nendo fongari gating on the Jensen Mato because the first in my head when the whole thing was happening, I had gotten out of my mind.
Yeah.
Until he came and spoke, I feel like pictures would not have came out if he had not spoken. Or that atoma one base, my brother this, my brother that, but I hold my beer. The internet does not forget.
Yeah.
Nazo. So I'm just like, he could have just shut up. Like, how do you release a statement?
So my question is that, okay, my theory, my own alleged theory that I'm thinking of this thing. Who owns PA, Patriotic Alliance?
It's probably Molife at this point.
You see, so it's like that. You see that when you see that picture when they're coming
Those
out,
people are three brothers, bro. It doesn't
you're
look like
okay.
There's no way that guy is not involved in the party somehow.
Yeah, the fans.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, they must go and check Uri. The rallies in a party with 2 seats. Yakonozi hoster. How are they hosting this? Rallies? Yeah. So to me, I'm telling you, off.
But guys, I'm just glad. You know, at church usually, like as fasting, we would pray for our country, corruption and whatever. It's a waste of prayer. I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, oh, please, not in this country. Not knowing it takes one person.
Yeah.
Because the truth is, let's be honest, build up. It's just a matter of a few months, if not a few weeks, depending on how fast it runs. Each calling president and he's gonna resign as well.
Like,
so I can't wait for that moment because there's no way and he's not involved.
Yo, this thing, EFF, Julius Malim was talking.
Julius, my guy.
He said, you know what? We are going to bring back Phala Phala with this. Because it was part of the police cover-up.
Yes.
That's what they are saying, allegedly.
Yes.
So they say now if it was part of the police cover-up, then we can be able to check the rot in the police by also asking what happened to Phala Phala. Para actually. I don't understand this thing ya riba Venda ba kwamba ambe ndinyiwe
no roto elia ifiroto mo lipfale ko ba kwamba fungole ko re phala phala but ni para.
I saw this guy top notch akori. Hi, my name is Anza. I'm from University of Venda. Like kwamba University of Venda as like it's University of Venda.
It comes yeah bakuri nika platform ipi I get it.
Yeah.
Jitonga ndiko introduce kamkwani yasir my name is Wafa. My name is Wafa. You get it.
But I think we try and accommodate people and lose our identity in the process. Because why do you say a word in a way that you don't want your vendor? Yes, you understand.
Why is that being nice straight? If you're normal. Because you are good anyway. So it's almost the same thing. But as we're saying, I feel like it's going to come up. Everything is going to come out soon. I don't know where we're going to end up as a country.
Yeah.
Are we going to now put the DA in? Are we now going to finally agree that Malema was right and give him the seat? I don't know what we're going to do, but
Zika Diobuya blind. Zika Diobuya.
We're still going to see a lot. But I'm enjoying it.
Now that we have brought Malema, we can also just talk about the 12 years anniversary of the EFF.
Yes, I was shocked when she won 12 years.
Yes,
I didn't think it was so. 12 years in
2014.
Oh, it hasn't been a while. Okay, so, guys. Yeah, happy 12 years.
Happy 12 years anniversary to EFF.
Nandika EFF petty guys through and through. Through and through.
Like I feel like it's okay. Kind of that advertise EFF, but
it doesn't
I feel
matter.
like it's a better political party. You know. I think the rot in the ANC we can't uproot it, guys. Like we just have to agree with you know what that
yes.
one. Yeah. Is that child that you know not on the law.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying. So remember last year the elections because you reason yanga yo vote EFF Asuri. I know they're gonna do better than the ANC. No, I know they won't. I was just glad they're the one opposing party in they have like facts.
Yeah.
This and this. So definitely when they go in, they're going to fix all of those problems. Not all of them. Mara and which is like your drug trafficking, your human trafficking, your whatever. Those are the major problems in South Africa, if we're being honest.
Yeah.
I cannot, like, the amount of posts we see, the missing people in the country are sickening. Like, it's crazy. We can't carry on like this. So the fact that I know they know too much because they've been there. So I want them to rectify.
To rectify. And,
you know? Yeah.
And I feel like also EFF is organized, man. Like if you look at the events that they pull, did you see that dome that they, those people, they pull serious events and everything runs smoothly without any glitch. Like we need an organization which is organized like that to
and
run
that has
our
a lot
country.
of young people,
Yeah.
young minds,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
ANC also daravakara. But when is but we are rocking chair,
Yo.
like newspaper, but they're out here trying to tell us how to run the country. I feel like look how many minutes I feel like we spent so much time talking about these people.
Yeah, I think politics. Tune.
Politics, and
Advocate therefore.
yes, advocate there.
Or should we get something?
No. Let's finish politics.
Okay.
We just won't dwell much on him.
Yeah.
Did you watch the McG interview?
I partially I didn't finish it because I felt like it was too long.
It was too long and I couldn't get what he was trying to say.
Yeah.
It took to a point where
The one
McG
that
was like, okay, my guy, I get what you're saying. Can you please, you know why you're here. Can you please move faster?
Yeah.
Because also he's not the best co-articulator. Abambi, you know?
Yeah.
He's that
So
person. He keeps you on your toes. He keeps you anxious.
I think.
Okay.
All right. You know, the term that you're looking for is
Exactly.
this one.
This is the term. Just get it over and done with.
Yeah.
So yeah, I did watch it, and Ndoba Furibo exposed Abatova and the police exposing or the reason why Wafari Wanduba Varamromo. What was your take on it?
Yeah, I feel like there's some sort of exaggeration, but there's some truth to what he's saying. It's a judgment from my side. And says that, and you check the corruption that is here in this country. You tend to connect the dots. And you look at
Everything
else that is happening. That thing you're hey. Nyindi half brother ya nyinyi wallo yara, then that's why these people who are sitting on the dock and not these ones. Because if you look at the state case, you ask yourself, if I want my case to be strong as a state, I would take everyone who was in the house and bring them to the stand. Why didn't they take them to the stand? To say everyone else, they must come and confirm that story. Yes, the people who came in are these ones. The people who came in are these ones.
A lot of things in that case were done wrong.
Yeah.
By the way,
oh yes.
A lot of things that okay like case was wrong. Let's say you are a random person. If you want to house party, everyone is going to jail there.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying? A random group of people. But why was it that the fact that Hockley knew that was tampering with evidence, that's a crime on its own, right? Mara, aunam to offer for that. Do you understand what I'm saying? Freely, like mutu worldwide was, but you should be frustrated. Why are you cleaning the entire house? Do you get what I'm saying? So I feel like a lot of things in that case were done wrong because of the power.
Contaminated, yeah. The connection, the rot.
Exactly.
The rot. Like we need to give that case to Kwanezi's team to reinvestigate it. Yeah, like I feel like.
But
you see.
You see.
But that story sort of like it might be exaggeration, but
the Kelly one.
I'm
not buying the Kelly story because if it was Kelly. Yeah, doba you throw you under the but double throw under the bus. Kelly is just an artist. Do you understand? Mara kai group yet what Manda is Chico and Longway.
But remember that
Longway. Longway anga to fare over the Najgidi Kelly Achi Fara or whatever.
But the gun, remember the gun itself. In iko link wanazi na crime ori nyinyi wana Muritho advocate lani wa state there's something that is linked to that gun, and then if it's like gidi mufumakazi rich gidi chila cheese songo cha danton achila tiwe or something, then chaisi waka yo thing Chico allegedly to Chico trial, then habana na hate crimes yantu nyubrai was enzomiwa with the same gun. So the gun itself, you're not chimbrape to unji.
But remember, if you watched the Senzo Miwa documentary, the brother Oamba Uri, Ndobandi, the Owana call, I bet when it happened, the friend called Tumelo or whoever, he called. Ari Longwe accidentally shot
Get
Senzo.
shot, yeah.
Which makes sense because zoite hoyo oyiwana usetiwa na zibadira zotiwa so ndizone apala oshuma, what do you call that muscle? Yeah, whatever. Nimsinika divan adrenaline ka diva
adrenaline, yeah.
But there's another muscle ndo still mara hezo ndizone zvineranga zvibeliever because you are in the moment. Zvamusi hono dzuriwa pasi hono itwa meeting hono jiwa izo wazibadira akonfirmiwa dead hobo hono ambosho zvinji na guru ini hapo. We can't take that story.
Like need to be honest.
Also, it's not like Longwe was gonna tell advocate Teffo, oh yeah, it was me.
So, cover up if you like when you look at the stories. Sometimes we might say a court of the public opinion. I mean, I show me, but as people, I think sometimes we know nothing about law. I mean, but some things we can see or know. This is and the judiciary are rabonori. But how often do you go and report a case? You don't even go and report. And when you go report, the police will tell you, it's just a phone. Like
I'm sure that's what they would tell you.
You see, like we have surrendered the whole country to criminals.
Yeah.
And we're like, no, it won't get solved.
We know losing a loved one is never easy. At MR21 Funerals and Insurance, we understand the importance of celebrating life with respect, care, and personalized attention. Join our packages from as little as 100 Rand and have a dignified funerals for yourself or your loved ones. For further assistance, contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their cell, which is 061-509-0775. Or visit them at Happy's Car Wash Complex, Chukudini, opposite Harikotso. And also you can find them on their website, which is www.mr21.co.za, and follow them on all their social media platforms, which is MR21 Funerals and Insurance. MR21, true respect.
Okay, guys, Ndovu, yeah?
Yes. Teffo. Yeah. Like we can see, guys, sorry. Apala petuna suzinyizuno ko cover up yo. So archena furufelo sa chichaba ka
Kaseps.
Kaseps. You know, I tell something. You know, but yeah,
but this whole.
Now ever since Kwana's bombshell, these guys are waking. You hear arrest, they're investigating the Prasa people. They arrested CEO BRT. Was it BRT? Riavaya. So Riavaya mabasi. So ufio bana corruption zoitea or tender. Bo arrest a CEO ya mini again this past week. No bana CEO ya your arrest wa na.
Yeah.
So yeah, they are arresting, like you can see they're moving because now there's no more protection. There's no more cover up from the police or maybe
speaking of investigations, I just think Mapolisa Ajuti, they're very, I don't want to call them weak, but do you understand? Because that case that I was telling you about, so what happened was there was a young boy that was reported missing. He's like 11 years old. His name is Jaden Lee. Ndicha Flayhoff, something, I don't know what they call it. Mara. The police station in Shumandia road report, that's the closest. So that kid was reported missing by the mother. Ne? So the first place, the first thing they must check is the transport guy. I don't know, don't see but no, by Mudino check, right? Ask the security, no, oh Jena, oh one sharp. I said you were complex. When all that was happening, someone suggested they search Nduni, but that's the mom. Which does not make sense. Because if we are searching, we are searching. Do you get what I'm saying? Jite, only later on, school bag.
Sure.
Do you get what I'm saying? The blood stains in the house. So the mom says, after the search, it's not far. Print is like 5 minutes away. She went and slept at the mom's place. And then, Mudau, 5 or whatever. So, okay, here's another problem. abangofonela amapholisa during the day mwana asakubuya or something, or people claim what was not data and Wi-Fi airtime or something. Mara, she's a remote worker, she works from home.
Yeah.
So that's close to impossible. Sharp.
Red flag.
Because apparently she earns like 17.5. Yeah, which is like a good salary. So by airtime, whatever things happen, it's cool. I think because if people lose one before Naye, if it was just a random death, no one knows what happened. So now, people generally for bava. Vachibuya or babuya or vachiva, one was stepicing 5:30 when someone was going to work, leaving the house by the corridor. Naked, but underwear pays. Now the flop is Vachiko checker. That's not the underwear he wore to school. Underwear in a via and pays, if I'm making sense.
Yeah.
Did you get it? So now go check your everything. Apparently, there's just so much going on, and I'm like, all this could have been. The videos where the woman is saying, "Yeah, SEPS has failed us. They're not helping us with it." Baba kotoya. We must find the person that killed my baby. My baby. She even made a statement that now is making sense. She's like, he has always wanted to be famous. I guess now this is how he got his fame. That's what you say. She said all that. Only now everything is coming back together. But my chat now is investigator. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Why also was it you flat in Azurakayo? Only now the issues the teachers are saying, oh no, this kid has had like abuse issues because one has bruises. So it was an abuse thing, then it went wrong on that day.
Yeah.
You get it. Mara, just if it really went wrong, Zamba still so you should have a little bit of remorse. That woman had no remorse. She was very brave enough to speak in cameras and whatever. Although Tikohana, people grieve differently. But I feel like if that was my only son, I wouldn't grieve like that. And as a Murwana, she's like 31.
Sure.
But
like
she's
that's
colored.
my age.
She's colored.
Yeah, that's yeah.
She's colored. But I'm just saying, at least now investigation you on light. I watch it every time.
Because this like what's the status with the father of the baby?
The father is not present, man. I think my boyfriend or something. But then, also now the latest thing Yuri, who check your DNA, apparently looked like he was sexually assaulted. So now if he was sexually assaulted, it changes the whole story. Chances are when it was written, but she knows. Because yeah. So you can't report the kid missing. So yeah. Yo guys,
like South Africa is a crime scene.
Bro,
it's a crime
the entire
scene.
Place.
Like
yellow tape.
You know, all sides. You know, we talk about the borders. Yellow tape and the crime scene everywhere, guys.
But imagine if they would actually investigate the way Americans do. You know, it would have been because they kept people have been saying so. Evidence, like. There's a way.
So I think US okay, but the projectors are they are good with intelligence and investigations. Yeah. Also in the technology in the ahead. So Karine the radar to be backwards adopters nonga body cam ya police alingwana I don't think that thing should be a difficult thing, but so that can be implemented.
Each charge was a million.
Like we have been, how many times have people been abused by police officers? Bro. Like police officers are abusive. They come with brutal force to you. Like they don't care. They don't give a damn. But for it, they own the place.
Was a crime
you see, and now you can't even take your phone and say I'm taking a video. They're like, what? They start abusing you even when you're doing that. So I think body cam. Yeah, every police officer, that would solve a lot of problems. Because if we ask you when it's supposed to be at work, you are supposed to be investigating this case. Where were you at this time? Because this case, I can move. Then we'll check all your records already. Where are you? What are you doing? If your camera is off, you must be suspended or you must be you must lose your job because your camera can't be off if you are on duty. You understand? So those are the things that we can use to solve this.
Yo, Namsi, who tense?
Who
Yo,
tense?
who tense? I need something lighter.
Yeah. What's lighter? There's nothing lighter here.
Yo, I need something lighter for real.
There's Muritho. So it's police, it's cases,
Okay,
it's a crime
I understand
scene.
ukofi Muritho oripa mara why Muritho opposed to sali Zimbabwe? Why ongwadi kofi Zimbabwe? Ongwadi post yofi Zimbabwe, guys.
I think there are people who are responsible for distorting
Hey,
news.
and that mugshot was not cute.
And they know that, you know, if they distort it, it travels even faster.
Even faster. Zori muzano ununa 12 years ndizvona.
Yeah, apparently, allegedly, muprofita botendo yes unayo mingwa and vabotenderana vakabushaka hotenderaniwa and ngaicho chipinga muthu ari nayo mingwa havi one year consent ane consent as well 14 years. Is it 14? Yeah.
Vomuwanisani muthu ari na 12. I don't think you understand how young 12 is. 12 is grade 7, 6.
It's hectic.
Grade 6. Grade what?
Hamtu watu kona notamba.
Also, mutu ononga Muritho ubonisani muzana ambara uniform. Like, I don't get it.
Sure.
How does that appetize him? Like,
it's too much, guys. Like, it's too much.
Guys, no, man. The
scary.
law must
Like,
take its course, man.
It's scary. Yeah, I think let's wait and see the diet out sadzingwena or mkwanazi or neas paka chine chakuita uri
especially Venda, you know rukwamba nga story zvakure so it's
yes, like
we've got little sisters. Do you understand? We've got little brothers. We've got
because always
yani,
like I think, hey, if this could happen to my sister, they would rather arrest me other than arresting the person who did it because he won't be normal.
I dare you to try.
Yo.
That's
the thing. Because now ringasi trust into murayo udo wazitandoni because uko do vuazo zori apa pia bazikwamanidzwa nyinyi babhadiro anga nyinyi I pay you. Apparently when Molefe was being arrested was calling people, hey, I pay you, the police are harassing me, why don't you do your job like I'm paying you? You understand? So, allegedly. So
that's crazy.
It's crazy. So there's this but basara bono nyama bono lose hope ngori.
Mara, this is not Muritho's first case.
Yeah, he's and I don't know. Because fans are faces suri a good dina ngori. As a public figure no ni mufunzi ni chidhiza mufunzi.
Neremi angabajenda ngabadzimbela kids akuri ngasonda. If my mom was going there, nanga badzimbela kids akuri ngasonda. Because I mean, unomtana kadito aina na chikete aya. After all these things are happening, guys, humbulani uri already muthu akokona bona mwana wa 12 years arenda. Angabona na wanu kirikini no than I. Don't think you're special. Don't think you're special, guys. You are not special.
Yeah, it's hectic. So like, we would say to South Africa is a crime scene. Even the church, maybe it's a crime scene. We don't know. But yeah.
I've been to the church once when we were burying my cousin. Because yeah. And I was like,
yo, it's scary, guys, because it's draining. It's draining. Like,
and I already never got the support. And in the comment section, guys, you need to do better because it could happen to you. It could happen to your daughter as well. We understand that someone is innocent until proven guilty, but this is not the first case. Yeah, rape. So if you think you're special, now we are machero we and the comment section yes papati. Unfortunately, we can't help you because we are trying to fight this now. There's a 12-year-old now that has trauma for life because they were raped, and you are somewhere there saying I receive. Guys, no.
It's spirituality and
no, man. Actually, ask for the spirituality. Like why are you supporting a person that has a case like that at hand?
But no brainwash you are to believe that this is the way and these are how things should be done.
Brainwash but we are here now. We are asking you, do you think it's right?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Munamtana kwa ina 2 pieces.
Yo. Oh, you're not bad. Yeah, you're not bad. All right. And we have okay, we have two left, right? Okay.
I have an idea which one is coming.
Okay, let's not start with that one. Let's start
Jared
with
in London.
let's start with the Majuputo.
And I just saw it and I'm like, you're gonna tell me about it. I know nothing about it.
So it's this guy who
I know my
ex, yeah. You remember
funny guy. Yeah.
During crazy entertainment stuff and Senzeni.
Yeah.
He was popular, like very popular that time. The one about ka entertainment industry, right? There was Runa Senzeni, Ona Majuputo and all those things. Yeah. So they are the ones when the CDs are those writer, you know, the way selling and 10 rand on the street. Pretoria, I remember. So he passed on and
wait, he passed on? I thought you wanted to say something else about him.
No, he passed on last week, and we were supposed to work with him with this the organization Tree of Wisdom. Baba bonumu reinventa vachikubudisa the skits zawo vakushoota the skits, so we were supposed to be the production company for that. And
what
unfortunately I don't know like atina
they rate here for your choice,
like
guys.
Yeah,
guys, and MR21 insurance.
And by the time it happened, the guy who was Tree of Wisdom texted me in the studio, and then by that time I had record and I couldn't answer him. And then all of the sudden I'm hearing this. I'm like, but we were supposed to work on this project, on his project, and like, okay, sure.
Shame, man.
Rest in peace.
I wonder Oboji break your mini also.
No. I think Riarenga the reinventor, and then we die with the talent because Rengo bonuri, hey, the world is going this way, and we still want to keep
not relaxa or relax is what I mean. That's what I wanted to know.
Oh yeah. No.
Or what made him. But anyway, okay, guys, yo.
So yeah,
said,
like this is sad diaries.
Guys, sorry.
Said.
Nothing is cute right now.
And this episode is brought to you by MR21 Funerals Insurance. True respect. So yeah, we like. I feel like this.
Wait, then can you go with the story? Okay, finish up first.
Yeah, and like this episode is in December. Record to MR21 from the beginning. It's sad and it's info. Like
it's giving.
Yeah, but with MR21, true respect. They give you dignified funerals. So you can go on their website or check on this banner that we put up here. Their phone numbers are there available. Unfortunately, at Kingsley is living at all, but they don't memorize and. Actually, if I'm still coming back.
Anyways,
we'll talk about it outside.
Talk about it after the show.
Yeah.
I was still saying, ndobona over the table bookings are Arumbi for Royal Gardens.
Yeah.
So I'm asking myself, what did you own Arumbi? Na MR21. Why was Oshma MR21? Is it weird to have a funeral table? Do you think it would be weird?
No.
A couple of coffins there.
Yeah. I think in Venda, rina that thing Rio. Zwa mburungo na zwa rufuzi riazi respect riazi shaman like
Maravadzana Venda bopi shini ngamfasa ngesh. What? Never.
Like,
come on. Why not?
The ones.
No, I was asking myself for a Kamsi, are they gonna have like a section here MR21? But it doesn't work like that. But they're not thinking of that. Okay, great. But the table, what guys? Check everyone no voa.
Yeah.
I think the cheapest one was like 10K that I saw. I'll check it out again. Hey, it's affordable.
That's not bad. So yeah. Now that we spoke about the funeral, MR21.
Let's talk about the funeral.
Yeah, let's talk about this is the last one, last topic while we're closing it. It's Pfanelo. Pfanelo,
what's his surname?
Pfanelo Matinya, right? Yeah. So Pfanelo,
the one thing that shocked me was his age. You're 1995.
Yeah, so it's my age.
Hey, wait, even. Why am I shocked?
But yeah.
Mutu 95 una mwamgani?
Una 30. Not 30 years.
Oh my gosh, no.
Not 30.
They're from 25, no, hey? No ways. If you are 30, then I'm. No, let's leave it.
Let's leave it.
Yo, no, the choice.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
So, no.
Hey, my uncles were your age when I was a kid.
Yeah. Uncles.
Am I the aunt? Does it make me a drunk aunt?
No, let's not talk about it. Let's talk
Anyways, we're talking about Pfanelo.
So yeah, Pfanelo, I have a great experience with Pfanelo.
Oh, you know him personally?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not really personally, but we've worked together on a couple of projects.
Okay.
So there's this company, Muritho Empire. So they host tournaments, they host Miss Venda plus size.
Okay. Do you want to know the sport?
Yeah. So they host the soccer tournament and most of the events are Zanjere and when we host. So yeah, Pfanelo would sponsor those events, would come all out with his trucks, everything, make sure that the event runs successfully. Like Abachi supported locally. Like most of the people that I saw, were positive on the socials. They talk about how supportive he was to the community around, to everyone. Like and we just made.
Before we continue, what happened to him?
So they said during his birthday, Oba and then from there,
maybe he probably had like issues before.
Yeah, I don't really know. I don't really know, but that's just what I heard. Allegedly, I'm not, having that information in full. But yeah, it was said, and it's said for me also. A record of vomited a bottle, flask, panda, ring lawe
For his birthday.
For his birthday.
When was his birthday?
It was few weeks back. Not even. Oboni one. On the default, let me show you the picture.
That's his chat.
This is him actually.
People are complaining when we show each other stuff and we don't show them.
Yeah, we have to show it.
Oh man.
Like look at that. So I like. It was sad. It was sad.
No, man.
But
man.
no. And then you can go to the gossip side. But I feel like you won't be able to go to the gossip side because now don't know about.
No, I don't mind.
Actually,
because I don't mind talking about it. So what happened is the person we're talking about, so he was married.
Yeah.
He had a wife. I don't know if they had kids as yet. I didn't see the kids. Ufe was Navana, I think. Yeah. So now the side chicks are posting pictures of him. Mongori, our daughter is gonna miss you.
Yeah.
And to show what they were wrong, the comments.
Yeah, in single comment.
But my issue now is you knew right? So are you saying because he's dead, the wife doesn't mean anything anymore?
Yeah, like
it's pure disrespect though. Do you understand? Because all of Magazi had the wish to Jenny pay to like everything was happening under her watch, whether she knew or not, but it's not her fault. So she's grieving, and the one thing you wanted to go through is pictures of you and like.
Yeah. So like people, people want to be famous. And
they want to go
I feel like, I feel like Kotsiawe will respond very well. Like but
he stood his ground for the wife as well.
And I'm glad that he spoke about respect. Like you taking stuff to social media and say no, yada yada yada, but next thing namaniko da cafe milin ko the two songori ngwana niko kono maintain and all those
that was not a smart idea.
It was not a smart one
because you cannot embarrass. I'm sure if he had properties right? Those are nazo after he embarrassed her during her toughest moments. It's not gonna work.
Estate ninga di share estate na iwana for the child, but imagine now ngori ndushonisa muta embarrassa muta online une moyo muta wautiova
asuri una girlfriend una musadzi. It's a whole different thing. And the problem yanga ndiyori arali nikozviita, I know people grieve differently, maybe akonyanga kugrieva ka social media, mara in this case you know you are dating someone's husband. Do you get what I'm saying? No zumbama all these years baby wangwana tidhivi achimbirana kana aitani, you've been hiding. Coming out now uvapo bakudiyo nitanganedza futi, because I'm assuming because they look like they were together, he was supporting the baby. All over mtu uwa kusupport. You need the family.
The family now.
Unless if you're saying, nah, I'm fine, I don't need them. Mara, it doesn't work like that, because raising a kid is not just a financial thing. You still need and whatever and whatever. Unless you're saying fuck them. Mara, if not, it was a bad move.
Yeah, it was a bad move. Like I don't.
And
but they did the same thing.
Yeah, but still, she was posting.
Because
my love,
people want
fly high.
fame. They want to fly high. I'm like, people want fame as most like, you know the way ne rabangayosa society. Ngamansaka social media ne. We want to be seen as very close to the people who passed. Or no, pass away.
You know, guys, I know it's wrong. That all over na poster screenshot. I'm coming back and I'm gonna mess you up. Because what do you mean?
So
you want to prove to people who were close, and then what?
Yeah.
And then what, bro?
So I was like to Kingsley. They go to it like it's a pop and bang.
Yo, Greg.
So Kingsley agori ndikotola chinepe changu choita poster ya business. I'm like, I sent him pictures. I was like, no, send me better pictures, man. I'm like, achitoroba, man.
I don't know, relax. Just use whatever. Do you know that marauna snipers, nichito chibona namsinza tubera caption, rukufi RIP. Never to nipe when you know snipers unongas kunyungura RIP. I don't know if it's how you pose, if it's the camera quality.
Ndito record tantu.
Ndi. Wamba ina mwana wawe.
Ndione tejani. Yes.
So cute.
What's up?
Chiwamba. Chobiburi, that's last year.
Yeah, I know. 3 years old. 2.5. Yeah. Eh? Eh? I love you, Muko. I'll see you soon.
My just moved.
All right.
I'm
bye-bye.
Still not having a baby still. But...
Away.
Hey, they were.
So probably he's crying real. I want to speak to Daddy now. Like,
shame. Anyway.
This part is gonna be cut, guys. Like, Guys,
I'm gonna look for it.
Because I'm going to see Avanui. Yeah. So what's yeah. Well, hey, I call you know what the words that I met. What episode do you want to recover? Yeah, prison award. Prison award. Yeah.
I was still saying, disrespectful and
yes.
What do you think about people that mourn online? Like, what do you think? I know grieving is.
So to me, I just don't like sharing stuff. If you see me share, namse ruru celebrity. Just nuri, yeah, like zonkwama and ovana impact can personally. You see, if Presley Chuan, like the guy Kobrizi, like I spoke about it because I loved him so much. I loved the talent that
with
he
me
had.
It was Ricky.
Yeah. So there are those people that yes, it will touch you, but there are people who share stuff just because they want to be seen as the first people to share it, and as people who know a lot about what is happening around the world.
Vaneva vachitomo phone
Hey.
I don't want a competition I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
But like
Hey.
okay, why are you telling
don't you
me?
gather the facts first? And
So with
be like,
me,
no.
like what you're saying, you don't really share a lot. You only share your resume. And then there are people like us.
Yeah.
Personally, I share everything. If I'm eating, if I'm cooking, you're gonna see. Some of us are just social media in it. You know, funny enough, I saw a post from 12 years ago. Me and I went to cologne. It was Britney Spears' Fantasy. I see poster. So I'm like, okay, I've been doing this thing. You know what is new? If you're vlogging, you if you're content creator, I've been sharing everything. If you go to my old pictures, and then it deals with Facebook because I know about whatever I don't want that's my album forever because that's an online cloud. You get it? So I don't want to delete it. So I'm thinking for me, if I'm gonna grieve online, that's because I eat online.
Yeah.
I bath online.
Yes.
If I go to the spa, I'm online. So ndiko humena ka page ya mtu ane oba asa kumuposta mtu wawe uva murao. And then only now that he's dead you're gonna show us. That becomes very I don't know. Just strange. Never need to direct a specific person.
You want the focus to be about you now and not about the funeral and not about the preparing. That was like a stupid move, to be honest.
It was a very stupid
like
move.
you can't do that.
And I'm mad at the friends too. Why would you guys let her do that? No, at the way visa.
Like you can't do that. You're posting and even telling people, tell them I'm in Pretoria, in Nottinghamshire. Like,
who said that? Who said that?
I think it's one of the
When you speak of Pretoria, I remember Randy Gaga. I love Randy. I love Randy. So guys, I don't know how. It's
like
hilarious.
energy,
no, it's how she will say things. I should apologize. The humbleness. It's a whole different person.
They can go from being happy to angry to being happy. Like, she was emotions down. Like, is it you who like?
Apparently, she spoke about girls that are prostituting in Pretoria. Apartment. Hey, she spoke about a lot of things.
That I think there was also an episode, Kingsley about that. Like, you remember the OnlyFans ladies came.
Yeah.
She exposed that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she spoke about it. Yeah.
She spoke about it. Yeah, and I love how she una script Facebook and then I'm like, oh my God.
And sometimes you're like, why?
No, I think
do you feel like
character stage? No, as a stage is lost. I think Randy character and I think and in Venda we have Randy and we must just
accept to
because at the same time she's not harming anyone. Okay,
she's violent.
Then why can't I hate her? I don't know. I can't find a reason. Because one day she's there. I saw she even promoted the royal thing. I was happy for her. I'm like, if she's pushing, man, she's doing ads every day.
Yeah.
I don't care how much she's earning. She's doing stuff on the side, you know?
She is.
Although people always want to come for her for the school thing. And I'm like, it's tricky.
Like,
true. The same way as not the Mariwa.
It's hard truth.
I'm telling you.
So yeah, I feel like
Ropirisa. I don't know
Ropirisa, about 10 minutes, I think.
Seriously?
It's 44, now it's like 56. So yeah. Guys, we're coming to you live from Panda Studios. It's 38 Mele Street, Braamfontein, Management House, office number 1005. And, if you WhatsApp, you go bonar.
And how, at least,
I go catch a cheat. So yeah.
No, please.
And this episode was brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance, true respect, you know. Yeah, so
Over too.
yeah. Do you have anything to say?
Let me see. I think we spoke about everything.
Yeah.
From what I've checked, my
No, I pusha. It was
El
just it was
Tido
a
Rombo
sad
di
one.
Vakai.
El Tido Rombo di Vakai nga short.
Okay, Samuto live.
Okay, some live. Yeah, like I think we go push towards the views.
Yeah, uko push towards the views.
Yeah, so
Yeah, Zokizana is
so yeah, attend.
It's way too much.
See
Bye,
you when
guys.
you see us, guys. Thank you
I'm
very
gonna
much.
try next week. We'll be here.
Yeah.
With you
Oh,
guys.
so bangana coffee bago chat man. Like
Oh yeah, no,
Yeah.
no. But my next
They're getting
wedding,
married.
my next wedding now
Is yours?
is in Jan.
oh, I thought you said you were gonna say your
No,
next wedding is
honey,
yours.
I don't play like that. I still have a couple of passport stamps to do
all right.
before.
Okay.
Ndichiri ndi umutu wa woyu mutu.
Oh, okay.
So please, nisonga associated na shuzo bao ne. Yeah.
Okay.
What's the
So,
title deed is nkumulele anytime.
Wedding. Wedding this is over. Okay.
What's the photo shoot za garage? Yes, we are coming. Mara nisonga shuza. What's the tabule zila notes?
We out, guys.
I'm not coming.
We out, guys. Bye.
Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.